nota. Hello everyone and welcome back to Hats for Bats.
To keep bats warm.
Yes, we are back with episode 2. I want to thank everyone who gave us tons of great feedback and said they really enjoyed the show and they're really excited to see what this becomes. Look at you. You're 2 teams, American League, National League. So yes, as you can tell, we are wearing new hats today, which we received 2 days ago. We got a package. Should we show that footage?
Yes.
All right. Did a live unboxing for you guys, so check that out now. We have 2 boxes, as you can see here. One hat is for J-Mav, and one is for me. We're going to open them live. Would you like to go first? Is that the one you picked?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope it's mine.
One is a retro hat, and one is a current playoff team hat. We picked correct?
Yes. The
Put it back up.
retro Angels hat.
Ooh, Mitchell and Ness style. Oh, that is nice. I didn't even know it had on the side here.
Mitchell and Ness.
Oh, that looks really nice.
Retro Angels has that green bottom, dark bluish color with the Retro Angels logo.
Now, I should have brought the other box in here. So I also bought this hat, another playoff team, and it is correct. Oh my. The right size too.
The
Arizona Diamondbacks who are up 2-0 on the Dodgers. It's just the standard. This is their, I believe, their home hat. Because it has the black and the tealish and the red. I like to work in the brim right there. And, fits like a glove. 2 new hats for us. The other day I ordered a Miami Marlins hat from MLBshop.com and opened it up, so excited.
Miami Heat.
A Miami Heat and not even my size. I don't understand why do they have Miami Heat hats? As you can see, we got some. Sometimes we get hats we don't want, but hey. Next we have something very special. There is an amazing promotion going on. Would you like to talk about it?
Yeah, so at Lids, there's this new Topps collection of hats. Wherever you are, the closest team to you, you get their special hat along with the Astros, Yankees, and the Braves.
And there was one more. Dodgers
too.
We got an email from Lids talking about it's only in store too. You can't do this online. You have to go to a Lids. They're only fitted too. They only carry a limited amount of sizes. So when we went, obviously you couldn't get one. So I had to get 2 because there's 2 of us, you know. I decided to go local teams because if you can get the other ones at other places, it's not that special. So not only do you get these hats, but they come with, why don't you show?
Some packs of Topps Chrome.
Each hat comes with a special 3-card pack of Topps Chrome that we're going to open live on the show. And hopefully we'll pull a Gunner or a Corbin Carroll because that would be huge. Should we show the hats first or open the cards? All right. Why don't you do the first one? Yeah.
So we have the Washington Nationals with the DC in black. Topps 50-year patch right here. All the hats come with this pin that says Topps Major League Baseball.
Which we can take out because it looks like they fit in every little hat's little hole there.
Holes.
Yeah. I'll probably take mine off.
Mitchell Ness right here.
Yeah. Right. It's not New Era. It's
New
Mitchell
Era.
and Ness.
A special underbelly with the year.
And did we decide? We think the year is the year that logo was being used by the teams. Yeah.
Or if they won the World Series in that year. If it's just the name one.
Okay.
Yeah. The gold under.
High profile.
High profile.
One with high profile.
And it has the Mitchell and Ness here. So you can see the Topps patch, but you can't see the logo for the hat.
Try now. Oh, yeah. Look at that. This is it. Very nice. It's also a great backwards looking hat, too.
Yeah.
So you can see that. So, pretty excited. Obviously, I had to go with the DC. And then why don't you show us the second hat?
Baltimore Orioles with that bubblegum color along with the inside. and it's 1989. The Topps patch is about cards instead of just 50
Oh yeah, that's different. Yeah, that was the card pack from
You
1989.
can see it in the inside, but not the logo. And still has the pin, and the usual Mitchell and Ness insides with these two right here. And yeah.
Yeah, if you want to see a closer look at these, head over to our Instagram, Hats for Bats YT. We have posted pictures. This is the Oriole hat. That one is a little bit tighter than this one, even though they're the same size. As you can see, another great hat. I've always wanted the Oriole bird one. I love the fact that the pink is like the bubble gum in the pack. I would say if you're interested in these at all, head to your local lid store immediately. They run at $50 and you get the hat and the pack. And we already found out that on eBay, the packs themselves are going for $50 a pack.
Yeah.
So we could post them, but
we're gonna open them.
We're gonna rip them. So let's do it.
You can have this one.
Oh, this one's mine. All right, you want to go first? Or you want me to go first?
You can go first.
All right. Here we go. Oh God, I'm getting nervous. I see Juan Soto.
Oh.
All right. Ooh, the designs are nice. So
Riley Green.
Riley Green.
Rookie.
Oh yeah, rookie.
Cody
A belly bomb. Cody Bellinger.
The fake
Look at this. These are the old designs too. I guess they use the years of the hats. And then, ooh, this is I think this is 1989. No, yeah, I think these are the 89. Or no, these are the 93s. I think this is a 1993 design. I'm pretty sure. And Juan Soto. So I went with probably my best card of that pack's probably the Riley Green rookie.
Okay.
All right, let's see what J-Man pulls.
Pack.
Okay, here, let's see what J-Man's going to pull.
We got a Chris Bryant.
Chris Bryant, and the 93 design. Do you have 4?
Clayton Kershaw special.
I think you have 4. How did you...
Wait. Yoshida rookie.
Wait, how many...
Gunnar
Oh my God, he pulled it!
Anderson.
Oh my God! Oh my God, he pulled it! He pulled it!
Gunnar Henderson.
That is the... Oh my God, you pulled it. All right, this is...
And
Wait,
Jordan
how did you...
Walker,
Wait, what
rookie.
is happening here?
Extra card.
This is 3 cards.
Extra.
Is there more?
There's 5. 5. Trey Turner.
Does it keep going?
James Alvin rookie.
What is happening?
6. And that is it.
Wait, how many?
6.
6, 7 cards.
7.
How did they mess this up? How is this even possible? Oh my God, this is the card to have. I think this right now, I didn't want to tell him. On eBay right now, this is going for $100. This card right now, and you just pulled it. So we've made back our money. I don't even have the Jordan Walker. This might be going for a lot of money too.
Yeah.
Rookie.
Yoshida's a rookie.
Yoshida rookie. James Outman rookie. How did you pull? I don't even understand how we got this pack like this. Did the guy know?
I don't know. It felt big.
So that's why you chose it.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my gosh. Hey, go to your local top store right now and
you better go.
pick up these hats. All right, before we get out of here, we have to bring in our very special guest to answer a question. So let's everyone welcome Austin. A very interesting hat today. Well, my question for you, these hats here that I got, right? See this company, Mitchell and Ness?
Yeah.
They're made in America. In what state?
Okay. So you see this right here? I'm gonna use my no, this is not it. What? No, this is not it.
What? Happening here?
This is not it.
You're making a mess here on our studio.
What?
This is still not it.
Is it even in
This
there?
is still not it.
What does this have to do with states?
Oh yeah. Do you see that?
That was my Return of the Jedi belt when I was probably your age.
This is gonna help me. I'm
Okay.
gonna put it on.
It's a belt, you know.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay.
The answer
Is
Washington.
The answer is Washington. Is that correct? Survey says they're in Pennsylvania. That's where the Philadelphia Phillies are from.
Looks like that really helped.
Austin, thank you once again. Thanks for bringing all the stuff to the set.
Yeah.
I'll make you
Thanks
clean
for
it up
trashing
later.
it.
All right, so everyone say goodbye to your fans and.
I know you love me.
All right, everyone. We hope you enjoyed episode 2. I know we had a lot. We had 2 new hats. Then we went into lids.
And got 2 more. And I stole the show with that pack.
It says right here.
3
3 cards. The man
More
pulled
than
7. More than double. And the best card in the set. Remember, please, it is free to do. Hit that subscribe button below. It would really help us out.
And hit that like button.
Follow us on Instagram at HatsForBatsYT. We will be back next week with another episode. It looks like, we got a schedule now.
Yeah.
Looks like we're going to be every Thursday. Expect to see a new episode. Remember, we're Hats for Bats.
Because hats keep bats warm.